How to know if a website is safe before you click it. A lot of people get tricked online just by visiting the wrong website. It could be on malware, a scam, or fake pages designed to steal your information. So in this video, I will show you a simple way to quickly check if a website is safe or not. Let's start with the first method. Open google.com, then search for Google Safe Browsing Transparency Report. Click the official Google result, and once the page opens, you will see a box where you can paste any website link. Enter the website you want to check, then click Search. Google will analyze the website and tell you if it has been reported for malware, phishing, or other dangerous activity. If it shows no issue, the website is generally safe to visit. Now let's move to the second method. Go to the website you want to check, then look at the address bar at the top of your browser. On the left side of the website link, you will see a small icon. Click on it. If it says connection is secure, that is a good sign. Then click on Connection is secure to view the certificate details. If the certificate is valid, it means the connection between you and the website is encrypted and secure. This helps to protect your data, like passwords, messages, or payment details, while they're being sent. But remember, even if a website looks secure, always be careful with what you click and what information you enter online. And that's a quick way to check if a website is safe before trusting it. Please like and subscribe. Peace.